Buenos días, Sparrows. Let's going to continue with our maths lesson of measurement, and we were looking at measuring length, how long an item is, okay? So, for example, we had this ruler. Some of you have rulers like this at home. This ruler, we've been talking about different units of measurement. We have centimeters and we have meters, and we know that meters is being used is a unit that you use when you need to measure longer things than centimeters. You use centimeters to measure smaller things, yeah? So some of you have this ruler which you use to measure small things with centimeters. Some of you have a tape measure that you can use to measure small things, or even extend it and measure really long things. And we have this one. So imagine, look at that, how long a meter is. Look my arms, how much I need to make it. Up, how much I need to open them to get 1 meter. This is 1 meter. Some of you have done already the jump. So you know that a big jump or a big step is 1 meter. So today your work, let's going to quick recap that we need how many centimeters we need to get 1 meter. How many centimeters? 100, yeah. So we need 100 centimeters to get 1 meter. So today your work is going to be, you're going to need to try to estimate. You don't know, like you can measure it afterwards to see if you're right, but more or less to see how long is something. For example, I will tell you to go in your living room from one wall to the other wall. You need to try to go and see how long it is, okay? So have a good think. Your living room, from one wall to another wall, will you measure it in meters or will you measure it in centimeters? In meters, wouldn't you? So you will need to be doing big jumps to try to go from one wall to another wall to see how many meters, okay? If I tell you to measure a pen, let's see if it doesn't fall. It doesn't? Yes. If I tell you to measure a pen, what will you use? Meters or centimeters? That's right, centimeters, because it's not really long, is it? And more or less, we said that more or less opening your fingers is 10 centimeters, more or less. Let's see. That's mine. 10 centimeters. You need to check yours to see how much you need to open your fingers. Okay, for doing 10 centimeters. So if I say to measure, to estimate how long is this pen, and I know that this is 10 centimeters, what do you think that it will be then? Probably 11, 12, more or less. Shall we check? Let's see. Ooh, 13. We are on 13. There on the line. A little bit more of 13. Super. So that is going to be your work today. If I ask you to measure your garden, you think that you need to be measuring in centimeters or in meters? In meters probably. If I ask you to measure your book, probably in centimeters as well. Well done. So that's going to be your work today. Quite easy and quite quick, okay? Right, so there you go. Bye.